Alright, so this is going to be an Amazon item review. So this was the JZod Auger drill bit for planting. It actually came with two. It was on sale. It had a 1.6 by 8.7 inch and a 4 inch by 12 inch auger. So this is for like planting and things like that. So when I purchased it, the item was on sale for $10.48. I think normally it's about $15, which for the price for two of these is pretty cheap. So let me show you what it came with. So this is the smaller one, okay? It's hard to compare a size, but this is my hand, okay? And that's what that looks like. And then I think normally they would sell with this larger one. I was planting some smaller fruit seeds, so we'll see how it goes. Let me unbag this. So the smaller one came in this plastic bag and this giant one came in this bubbly wrap, and they were both inside this box. I was surprised that it fit both of them in this small box, but they fit it. So I haven't tried the big one yet, but this is what the big one looks like. Okay, you can see the size comparison here. Okay, and it works really well. This drill, it has two settings. There's a setting for torque and a setting for speed. So if you see this spinning somewhat slower, if I set it to this higher speed, then it spins faster. Okay, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but anyways, for using these, you want to use the torque setting. So basically it should spin at a slower speed when you put full speed. That way it has more power, but doesn't do it as quickly. But you need to do that for this because you're going to be drilling into something that's pretty tough to drill through for this size. Okay, and then I also have it set to the drill mode. So the other settings numbers are for torque, so that way it doesn't drill too hard. But anyways, I'm going to just drill a hole in here just to show you how it works. Okay, so basically you just drill into the dirt like that. Here you can see it's just going into the dirt. All right. Yeah, and digging this would be so much work, but here you can see now there's a hole in the dirt. I'm not going to be planting anything in there, so I'm just going to put it back. All right, now I'm going to try the larger one. I haven't tried this one yet, so I don't know if my drill will have enough power for that, but let's give it a shot. All right, so I'm going to hold on to this. We're going to undo this, pop that out. All right, let's see if we can fit this in here. Okay, so it actually fits. I'm gonna tighten this. Uh-oh, all the garbage is flying away. Hold on, let me go grab that and I'll be back. All right, so I'm back. We got this. We got it on the drill mode, not the reverse. Okay, all the settings are the same, torque mode. There's a much larger one, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to drill through this, but we will find out. All right, let's see. So you probably don't wanna put too much downward pressure. Wow, this is actually, okay, I don't know if it's gonna be able to do this. This dirt is too tough, but I'm gonna have to push down hard into it. Maybe to start I should use the smaller one. So that's having a tough time. Let me switch back to the small one and we'll start. Actually, since I already drilled that small hole, let's use that same one. Okay, so we already dug up this smaller hole earlier, so let's try. There we go. Wow, that's amazing. So digging this by hand would be so much more difficult, but look. I'm hitting some rocks. If you have a corded drill, you'd probably have more power, but this looks like it's working well. Kind of tipping it over side to side. All right, so it looks like if you want to do this, you want to use the smaller one first to start the hole, and then you can go ahead and use this larger one to finish it off. As you can see, it dug a lot easier. Okay, but there is a rock down there. I'm gonna try using the smaller one again. We're gonna see about digging a larger hole. Oops. Okay, so let me take this back out. Okay, here you can see there's some like rattly stuff inside here, but it shouldn't affect its use. Okay, let's go ahead and, oops. Let's go ahead now and tighten this one on. Am I twisting it the right way? I think so. Okay. All right, so all right, let's go ahead and tighten this bit into place. Oops. Uh-oh. Don't want to get all that dirt in the drill. Okay, so let's go ahead and drill deeper now with the small one. Okay, you can see how easy it is to drill pretty deep into here. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and use the other one again. Okay, same thing, let's take this back out. Okay, let's put this one back in. I probably should have got my tripod to do this, it would have been a lot easier. Alright, let's tighten this up. Okay, tighten that up. There we go. I like this drill because you can actually use one hand to do it. Alright, let's see how deep we can get in now. Oh wow, okay. Here you go. And there you can see, oh, there's a lot of rocks in there, so it's kind of tough. But here you can see, we made a big deep hole now. It's a lot easier. So anyways, that's my review. This thing works really great. Again, of course, it also depends on your drill, that your drill can turn this. But it's much easier than digging with a shovel. So yeah, if you like planting and you want to make your job a lot easier, get something like this. All right, this auger bit. And yeah, Amazon sells a lot of different kinds. But again, this one was on a good sale. That's why I bought it. Hopefully this video helped you guys with your planting. Let me see if I can show you here what I planted. So I went to the Google, what would you call it, their main building, and they had these things called strawberry trees, and the fruits were all just falling off. So I actually got a bunch of those overripe fruits that fell on the ground, and I just drilled a bunch of holes all the way along here. The rest is all, these are all weeds, so I don't know, I'm gonna have a tough time cutting the weeds down around it. But you can see I was able to like drill all these holes out, and that probably took me less than half an hour. Let's see, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I dug out 24 holes with that thing. And yeah, I dug a few other holes here. I ended up deciding not to plant them there, but I did dig a bunch of holes, and the drill still had some battery life left. So yeah, it makes this job way easier. Hopefully it makes your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.